Hello everyone, my name is Noika. I'm from Inter First Year HEC Ignite IAS. So today my topic is about earthquake. So let us see the basics about earthquake. There are various natural disasters causing in the world, but one of the worst natural hazards are earthquake. The effects of earthquake vary upon magnitude and intensity. Earthquakes occur everywhere in the world except few places. Now let us see about the earth basics. Earth is made up of a solid inner core, a molten outer core, a thickly mostly solid mantle which occupies approximately 84% of the total Earth's volume. It has comparatively thin crust. So the Earth's outer skin is not a continuous surface. Instead, it is composed of massive segments called tectonic plates. These plates move around in the Earth, but they do not move very fast. They are very slow. They move about a millimeter per year. So earthquakes occur along the boundaries which the tectonic plates are. These cracks within the plates are called faults. Now let us see what is an earthquake. An earthquake is a violent or an abrupt shaking of the ground caused by the movements between tectonic plates along the fault line in the Earth's crust. So in a nutshell, earthquake is nothing but the shaking of the Earth's surface due to energy released in the lithosphere. Let us see terms related to earthquake. Focus, also known as hypocenter, it is the point where the earthquake originates. Epicenter, it is a point directly above the surface of the earth. Here, the earthquake is very intense. Terms related to earthquakes. Other terms. So, fault line or fault trace. A fault line is a long crack in the earth's surface. A fault plane is a sliding surface of the fault that happens during an earthquake. Fault scrape. A fault scrape is a surface expression of a fault that has shifted the ground surface, ranging from small slopes to high rock. So, what happens during an earthquake? When an earthquake occurs, different types of energy waves are generated. These waves are called seismic waves. Seismic waves. The shifting rock in an earthquake causes vibrations called seismic waves that travels within the earth or along its surface. The two major types of seismic waves are body waves and surface waves. Body waves are again subdivided into P waves and S waves. Surface waves are again subdivided into love waves and Rayleigh waves. Body waves. So body waves are again divided into P waves and S waves. Body waves are the one which travel to the earth from the focus to the surface. So these are the body waves. Primary waves, these are the first to reach the surface, hence the name primary waves, and secondary waves after reaching the surface, so they are the secondary waves. They are the first waves to hit seismographs, while secondary waves hit after primary waves. They are compression waves, while they are shear waves. P waves are much faster than secondary waves, while secondary waves are slower than P waves. These are longitudinal waves. They are like sound waves. They can travel through solid, liquid and gases. While secondary waves are transverse waves. They can only move through solids. Let us see surface waves. Surface waves are of two types, love waves and Rayleigh waves. They are guided waves. Both are guided waves. Their displacement is parallel to the surface. While Rayleigh wave, their displacement is perpendicular to the love waves. Love waves is faster but slower than S waves and P waves, and Rayleigh waves are the slowest waves. Love waves cause horizontal shifting of the Earth's surface, while Rayleigh waves, ground moves in a circular motion, like waves of the ocean. The measurement of earthquake. The earthquakes study is known as seismology, and they are measured in seismometer. A seismometer is an instrument that responds to the ground displacement and shaking such as caused by earthquakes, volcanic eruptions and explosions. They are usually combined with timing devices and a recording device for a seismograph. Effects of earthquake. Earthquakes can be very dangerous. Some of the effects of earthquake are liquefaction, that is land turns into liquid like it flows like a liquid. It causes fires, mostly wildfires, floods, flash floods, landslides, fault ruptures, and tsunamis. Tsunamis are earthquakes occurring inside the water or ocean bodies. Earthquake safety rules. It is very important for us to be safe during an earthquake. They are first to secure our place, to find a safe place where we can stand, organize disaster supplies, minimize financial hardship, drop cover and hold, improve safety, and reconnect and restore. The best method is to hide under a table or things which we can hide. Thank you.